Friends, welcome to the third video of Mentor-Mentee Internship Program. This program is initiated by the team Right Uprise. Myself, Priya Singh, the mentee for this program, and the mentor Varshika Chaudhary is guiding me for the technology Python. So, this is the third lecture of the Python technology. Here, we will discuss about the variable types. Variables are reserved memory locations to store values. That is, variables take some memory to store some values in it. Python variables do not need explicit declaration to reserve memory space. The declaration happens automatically. A value is assigned to a variable. So we will understand this by an example here. See, here in Python we have written a is equals to 10 and it automatically know that it is an integer declaration by this value. There is no need to write int or integer before the variable. Similarly, here we have written b is equals to 10.0. So in Python it is already clear that it is a float declaration, and there is no need to write float before b variable. So this is what explicit declaration means. Implicit declaration means. Okay, now Python allows multiple assignments, means we can assign more than two values in a single line. Okay, see here, a is equals to b is equals to 2. Here we have initialized the two variables a and b by 2. Now we can assign the more than two variables by different values of different data types also. Like here we have assigned value 2 to a and 2.3 to b in a single line. Now we will see categories of variable types or data types. So Python has 5 standard data types named numbers, strings, list, tuple and dictionary. We will discuss numbers in this video, and further topics are discussed in later videos. So what numbers are? Numbers are data types storing numerical values. Number objects are created when we assign a value to them. Means number is any numeric value which can be assigned to a variable. It supports 4 different numerical types, that are integer, long, float and complex. Here we have initialized a variable a with a float value, which is a number. Okay, we can also assign this variable with 2, which is an integer value, with 2, 3, 4, L, capital L, which is a long, and 2.7j, which is a complex number. Here the examples of int, long, float and complex is given. We can see here how these numbers are initialized to any variables. Now we will see the example of number on the notepad. Here I have initialized a with 20, which is a integer number, b with a 043 capital L, which is a long number, c with 45.87, which is a float number, and d with 7.2j, which is a complex number. When we print these values, we can see the outputs here that in Python these values are printed like this: 20, 35, 45.87 and 7.2j. Thanks for watching the video. Please watch our video 4 to cover the further topics.